Don't waste time looking at wrong options for low-profile raised access flooring solutions. Adapt Architectural's LPC Plus flooring makes it clear. You've found the only solution of quality material and design that saves more time and money to install. Adapt LPC Plus works for both fixed height installation that follows a floor's natural contours and height adjustable for leveling out uneven floors. LPC Plus flooring can reduce time to install up to 75% faster. In one day, 4 installers can finish 2,700 square feet, 250 square meters. Adapt's rigorously tested magnesium oxide tiles meet stringent safety standards, are fire retardant. Lightweight MGO tiles can be cut without specialized saws, unlike concrete tiles. LPC Plus flooring provides more open space to accommodate wires, lighting, and easier maintenance. The clear choice for low-profile raised access flooring that meets stringent code specifications and at a lower total cost to install. Adapt LPC Plus low-profile raised access flooring.